Starlift automatic scaffold, which is a portable model, is brought to the nearest possible distance to the working area via a vehicle. The scaffold can be connected to a car and it is manufactured to be moved easily with human power. The distance between the machine and the wall should be between 40 and 50 centimeters. In special installations, this distance can be increased or decreased. For platform installation, the railing is removed by removing the tap bolts that connect the foremost railing. The connection directions are brought to the appropriate position by the two-person installation team, and the lower tap bolts and then the upper tap bolts of the platform are easily attached. This process is repeated equally on the right and left sides of the machine, and as long as it does not exceed 6 platforms in total. After the platform installation of the machine, the right and left safety rails should be mounted to their places. In order for the scaffold to stand on a larger area by extending the telescopic extension arms, plywood or wood-like panels are installed. The presser foot, number 5, which is located in the middle of the chassis, should be neither pressed too hard to unbalance the machine nor left unpressed. Measurements are taken from both sides of the machine using a water level, and the machine is moved to the weighing machine with the help of feet of the machine. The thing to be careful of is that the feet of the machine may lose contact with the ground. The towers are equally installed on the left and right platforms by a two-person installation team for an easier installation. Afterwards, safety rails should be installed in their places to prevent possible occupational accidents. The body protection cage is removed. The machine is moved upwards until it reaches an appropriate height for the installation of the towers. During the tower installation, care must be taken to ensure that the toothed racks are not on top of each other. The special bolts that connect the towers are attached and the cap nuts are tightened. This must be repeated for the 4 bolts in each tower. For non-standard installations, you can request support from us. The wall distance is adjusted with nuts on the apparatus. Over the holes on the apparatus, holes with a minimum of 7 cm depth should be made on the wall using a size 20 drill bit. The wall plug should be nailed using a bar until it is made sure that it reached the last point. This process should be repeated for each of the 4 holes in each flange. The distance between the machine and the wall must be measured while connecting each of the wall connection apparatuses and should be the same as the distance of the chassis we first measured. If there is a difference in the distance, it is adjusted with the help of the nuts on the wall connection apparatus. Wall apparatuses should be repeated at every 6 meters, namely for every 5 towers. When it reaches the last level, it is absolutely necessary to install the top tower which stops the machine. What is important here is that the switch lid on the top of the tower is in the correct position. After the top tower installation is completed, the body protection cage is installed. Our products are in compliance with Turkish TSE and European CE standards. Moving parts on the machine, such as gears and spools, are controlled.